Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going on a journey I have not been on in a while. Today we are coloring my hair. Yes, I said it, we're coloring my hair. It has been blonde for a very long time, about a year. I'm not using box dye. No, I have been taught that box dye is evil. I splurged on a whole bunch of Wella color charms and I did a whole bunch of swatch tests. I mixed colors and I think I know what I'm gonna do. I know Brad Mondo taught me you have to put red on your head first, or else the brown's not gonna work and it's just gonna turn green. For my swatch test, I mixed a 8 RG and a 5 RG together. I'm gonna put that on my head first, and then after that, I'm gonna do the majority of my hair 5 in W. I'm gonna do some highlights in a 7W. And I have all the gear that I need. I got stain removers. I got bowls, I got brushes, I got a measuring cup, I got foils, I got the developer, I got paper towels, I got towels, I got the clips. I have all the gear and no idea. I know a lot of people are gonna hate me for dyeing my hair brown because it took so long to get it blonde, but I mean, come on. What is this? As you can tell, I haven't washed my hair in approximately a week. I'm just gonna brush it out. I also have a mullet going on, as you can tell. But I mean, a lot of it is brown, as you can see. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna section. It's a look. All right, so I have my hair sectioned into, and now I'm gonna go ahead and mix my colors. It's been real, it's been fun, but it's just time to go natural. You know, the world is not the same place that it was last year or 4 months ago for that matter. It's just time for a change. I look like a crazy person. It's a look. It is a look. I'm going to measure this out. It's a little bit below the 2. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. That is strong, mama. All right, so I have the color in the bowl. Now I have to put in the developer. So I'm gonna measure that out just below the 2. All right, and we're gonna do 4 little scoopies of this. 1. We're doing it. We're doing it, you guys. How exciting. Oh my God. We're mixing it up. It's about to overflow. So we're just gonna mix it up like we're baking a cake. Are you ready for this? Do, 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 do. All right, so I'm gonna start off with this secchione. Make sure it's all nice and brushed. So I'm gonna try these pieces that are closer to my face, this blonde piece. I'm gonna try keeping some of it blonde. And just put it on top of the blonde. Try and keep it from getting the other color on it. One of these foils. good. I don't know how y'all professionals make these foils look so nice. It's 1 o'clock. I'm gonna give it till 1:35 and wash this out. Alright guys, so my time is almost up and it is looking dark. Go ahead and wash this stuff out and I'll be back. I did that. My hair is so like orange. I mean, I know it's not perfect and I am not done yet, but I'm honestly really happy right now. Alrighty, Roo. I went ahead and cut some foils. In this lighting, honestly, this hair color looks really, really pretty. Once again, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. All right, I think that is good enough. So what I'm gonna do, let me tell you what I'm gonna do. I have a 5NW, which is what I'm pretty much gonna use on most of my head. And I have a 7W, which I'm gonna use to like warm it up a little bit, but cool down from this color. All right, so that is a little bit below the 2. I do have another bottle of this just in case I need more. Oh my God. Do not inhale. Gotta mix it up. This shit is so strong. W. So this is, so far, I think I've done pretty well. I know we're only on phase 2 and we still got a lot to do. This is going to be the most intricate and complicated part of it, but you know. So we have 7W, 5NW. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. Oh my God, look at that cute little curl this clip made. Oh, she's adorable. But yeah, so these parts on the bottom, they're the 5NW. I mean, I'm not trying to teach y'all anything because, like I said, I'm not a qualified person. I'm just another girl on the internet trying to color her hair. That's it. I'm not. Nope, this is not a tutorial. Unless it turns out good. Why am I even showing you guys this? Like, why am I? I'm just making a complete and total fool out of myself, to be honest. think I pretty much got it. 3:32. At 4 o'clock, I will wash this out. All right, guys, so the time is up. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. Hopefully it turns out well. If not, I may get like a goldish toned gloss to put over it. But I'm feeling good. Cross your fingers. Here we go. All right, guys, are you ready for the grand reveal? Are you ready? Are you ready? It's absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it. The only thing I wish I was able to save a little bit more of the blonde pieces, but you know, that is okay. It turned out way better than I thought it would. I thought I was gonna look like some calico cat, but this has so much depth and there's different colors. It's not all just one color. I love it. I absolutely love it. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I may in a couple weeks put some more highlights in just to add more blonde, but for right now, it's gorgeous. I love it. Thank you so much for watching.